discover Predictable in 5 minutes. Predictable is a text-to-speech app. It uses smart word prediction technology to make speaking and typing more efficient. The app allows users to save frequently used phrases and offers 43 multilingual options. It also offers speech and voice options, accessibility features, and a web platform for managing phrase banks. Previously focused on text-based communication, in the new update, we have expanded the feature set for our grid, with over 6,000 new symbols available, subcategory functionality, and more. When first logging into Predictable, you'll be shown the onboarding screens to help you get set up. Here you can choose your primary language, default voice, home screen, and access method. This is one of 2 main screens of Predictable, the keyboard screen. Starting from the top left, you can see the history strip in peach. This will display what has most recently been spoken. On the top right, you can see the favorite strip in light blue, which will display phrases from your favorites category. You can edit the phrases within this in the grid edit mode. The arrow buttons in between these 2 strips allow you to navigate these without scrolling. Next is the message window. Text you type will be shown here and can be edited by dragging the cursor. The pale yellow feature keys shown to the right of the message window and at the bottom right of the keyboard can be customized from an exciting range of actions in Settings, Shortcuts, Edit Feature Keys. The default selection is Speak. This will speak the text written in the message window. Notes. This allows you to store text that you have created in Notes that can be revisited later. You can expand these notes to full screen to store and read through longer text more easily. Settings takes you to Settings. If you don't have this as a feature key, then Predictable Settings can be accessed in your device settings. Predictable for Start Settings. Delete will delete the last word before the cursor. Delete All will delete all text in the message window. Grid will switch to the grid view. Share. This will bring up the device share sheet and allow you to send your message window text outside of the app. Shortcuts keyboard. This will give you quick access to all shortcut actions available. Emoji keyboard. This will switch the keyboard to the emoji keyboard. The emojis are paired with sounds. The word prediction strip is in the center of the screen and will help you be able to type your message quicker. Finally, the keyboard itself. This can be swapped out for other layouts depending on your preferences. Press on any category to view the phrases. Press on any phrase to move to the message window. This comes pre-filled with our default phrase bank, but you can edit and delete anything by pressing the Edit button. In edit mode, you can add, edit, and delete categories and phrases. You can also rearrange by pressing this button and then pressing on your phrases in the order you want them to appear. Press the Save button to leave edit mode. To change the feature keys available in the keyboard screen, head to Settings, Shortcuts, Edit Feature Keys. Then press on any key to choose from the exciting range of actions and press Save. Settings is full of options which can help you to personalize your Predictable experience and ensure it suits all of your needs. In speech settings, you can choose to select from the device voices available, our selection of online voices, or download your banked voice from our list of providers. In accessibility, you can choose between access methods. Please note that head tracking may not be available on all devices as it relies on the device camera. In appearance, you can choose from pre-made templates and edit the colors and fonts of keys on your keyboard screen. In support, you can access multiple different support channels from our team. If you need more help, you are able to book a 1-to-1 30-minute training or support session using the link below. We hope you enjoy using Predictable.